but my wings told me, don't you fly. Built a cage out of every lie. Shadows whisper, stay where you are, but they don't know how strong you are. Every chain they put on me only taught me how to breathe. In the silence I found my voice. Now the sky's my only choice. I was scared of falling down. Now I'm scared of staying bound. There's a fire in my chest, beating louder than the rest. I'm a bird set free, no more gravity, no more walls around my dreams. Hear my melody. I was born to rise, see the open skies, watch me leave the past behind. This is my time to fly. Broken feathers, here with light. Every tear turned into flight. They said I would never soar. Now I'm higher than before. Storms can try to shake my hair, but I'm dancing up there. Every fear I let below. Now I let my true self show. Oh, I was scared of falling down. Now I'm scared of staying bound. There's a fire in my chest, beating louder than the rest. I'm a bird set free, no more gravity, no more walls around my dreams. Hear my melody. I was born to rise, see the open skies, watch me leave the past behind. This is my time to fly. Open the cage, let it fade. I'm not who I used to be. Every scar, every mark, turn into my victory. I'm a bird set free, wild and finally me. No more chains holding me. Hear my destiny. I was born